After you're done with your project, it's time to clean your airbrush. This will include removal of the needle. Remove your siphon paint jar. If you only have one jar, you'll need to empty the paint, whether back into the original container, or if you've diluted it, then just discard it. Once you've emptied the paint, give the jar a couple rinses. Then take your cleaning brushes and clean the lid of the jar. Insert your brush into the straw and the top siphon tube of the lid. Rinse it out. Use a brush to loosen any paint stuck in the jar. Once the jar is clean, fill it with clean water and attach it back to the airbrush. Spray into a bucket or an airbrush cleaning pot to prevent overspray. Next, we're going to back flush the airbrush. Do this by covering the tip of the airbrush and holding down the spray. This will make the siphon jar bubble, loosening pigment that's inside the airbrush. Flush and back flush the airbrush 10 to 20 times until visually clean. Make sure the jar is half full to prevent water from spraying out the top of the jar. Or without the siphon jar, you can submerge the airbrush underwater and flush and back flush it this way. Spray until there is no more pigment coming out of the brush. Fill it with clean water. Next, we'll take the needle out. Unscrew the handle from the back. Loosen your chucking nut and pull the needle out. Using some clean solution and a paper towel, wipe the needle clean. Be careful, the needle is sharp. Reinsert the needle, tighten your chucking nut, and screw your handle back on. Give it a test spray. To purchase any Master Airbrushes, airbrush products, or any U.S. Art Supply colors or cleaners, visit us at tcpglobal.com.